Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Mahfuz Al Bashna Ridoy. My student is 25.09371144. Department of Banking Insurance, University of Rajshahi. Today I am going to presenting the course of Principle of Management. My presentation topic is a case study on the controlling function of management. Introduction. About Toyota. Toyota Motor Corporation is one of the world's largest automobile manufacturers. It is renowned to producing high quality, reliable and vehicles. The company operates in more than 117 countries. In 2009 and 2010, Toyota faced a major quality control crisis involving defective pedals. The problem: quality control failure. Some Toyota vehicles experiment accelerator defective pedals and floor mats create serious safety risks. The defects affected millions of vehicles worldwide. Toyota was forced to recall millions of cars to protect customers. Impact of the crisis. Business impact. Toyota suffered billions of dollars in financial losses. The company's global reputation was seriously damaged. Customer confidence declined significantly. Sales temporarily decreased. The company faced legal action, government investors, and company compensation costs. Management function controlling. Corrective action taken. Toyota State is controlling process by conducting expensive quality inspection, improving testing before launch, strong supplier quality management, establish a global quality task force, responding quickly to customer complaints, enhance employee training on quality standards, recovery, product quality improves significantly. Customer trust directly returned. Global sales recovered. Toyota restored its reputation as a leading automobile manufacturer. The company developed a strong quality control system. Key takeaways: effective controlling helps prevent major business failures. Customer safety should always be the highest priority. Immediately corrective action reduces business losses. Continuous monitoring improves product quality. A strong quality control builds long-term customer trust and business success. Regulation. The Toyota recall crisis demonstrates that the controlling function is essential for organizational success. Although Toyota faced a major quality failure, its effective corrective action, a stronger quality control system, and committed to customer satisfaction enable the company to recover successfully and regain public trust. Thank you everyone for your time and attention.